everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where power meets passion on wheels. Today, we're diving into something massive, luxurious, and built for the bold. It's the 2025 Kenworth W1150 motorhome. This isn't your typical RV. This is a full-blown luxury mansion on 18 wheels. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer size and presence of the W1150. Built on Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty platform, it stretches over 40 feet and has the iconic long-nosed design that truck enthusiasts love. The chrome grille, the bold stance, and the custom full-body paint give it that elite road-dominating look. It's part classic truck, part modern masterpiece. When you climb into the driver's cockpit, you're stepping into a premium command center. There are leather captain's chairs, a sleek digital dashboard, and all the latest driver assist features from Kenworth. Powering this giant is a PACCAR MX-13 engine, pumping out 510 horsepower and a monstrous 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're cruising through mountains or wide-open highways, this rig pulls like a dream. Now let's get to the part that truly makes this motorhome unforgettable: the living quarters. Inside, it's pure luxury. With multiple slide-outs, the interior opens up into a spacious lounge area with Italian leather seating, a fireplace, and a home-style kitchen. We're talking a full-size fridge, convection oven, solid surface countertops, and custom cabinetry. It feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. In the bedroom, you get a king-size bed, smart lighting, entertainment system, and enough closet space to live on the road for months. The bathroom is just as impressive. A full shower, premium fixtures, and high-end finishes that make it feel more like a hotel suite. For the tech-savvy, the W1150 comes loaded with smart home features. You can control lighting, temperature, and even security systems from your phone. It's got roof-mounted solar panels, a bank of lithium-ion batteries, and a 12,000-watt diesel generator to keep everything running, even off-grid. Outside, there are deep storage bays, an outdoor kitchen setup, and even a hydraulic lift for your motorcycle or ATV in the rear garage. Every detail is made to enhance comfort and freedom, no matter where you go. Of course, a motorhome like this doesn't come cheap. Depending on your customizations, the 2025 Kenworth W1150 can easily go beyond $700,000. But if you're looking for the ultimate combination of trucking power and luxury living, this is the one that sets the bar. Thanks for watching another in-depth review here on Honest Auto Wheels. If you were impressed by the Kenworth W1150, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review. And tell us in the comments, if you had the chance, would you live full-time in a motorhome like this? See you next time with more machines that move the world.